Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol PROG, and I have been making videos on this particular one when it is going to $6, when it is coming back to 3.5, because I love this particular stock for long term, for day trading, swing trading, and many more. So in this particular video, I want to talk about few of the things. Definitely, I will talk about the price action, support, resistance, trend, and at what point you should buy in. Also, I want to talk about the volume, how this thing is moving, short interest, Fintel data, and a presentation from PROG, and upcoming catalyst, maybe on November 30th, a presentation, and also some articles here and there, and many more things. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, I have a Discord community, link in the description box, and also in the first comment, you can join there. So anyway, this is PROG. Last Friday, it was down 2.9%. If you look at the overall market, it was really terrible. The good thing is in the morning it dipped, then it went up and went sideways, which is really good. Instead of 1 day, if I go to 5 day, still you can see it is on a downtrend. So we will talk more about the pattern and everything, but before that you need to know what is happening, and most probably by this time you know, because of the COVID fear, the market is tanking. This is SPY. It was always in uptrend, but you see a big dip. We have to see how Monday will fall. Maybe the market will bounce back, maybe it will come, but you need to watch the market first of all. If the market is bad, whether you are bullish or not, it doesn't matter, the price might come down. So this is the big thing. Even though SPY, QQQ, everything was down, but we did some great trading on Friday, and as you know, over the Discord we alert with different tickers with support, resistance. As an example, BFRI, even though I entered late, but even from my place, my alert to the high of the day is like 45%, right? If you look at ISPC, I have been talking about this almost every day to my members, and even that, just from that particular support, it was up by 49%. Other one, mRNA vaccine play, because of the COVID, this is one of our swing. It was beaten down a lot. You see a massive change, almost 28%, and VXRT, another swing trade for us, it also moved really good, 14%. So anyway, that's not the big deal what happened. The main thing is, if you like this kind of support, resistance, and alert pre-market, market hours, even after hours, weekend, please join my Patreon so that you can get access to my Discord to get those kind of alert, so that we can all make some money for day trading, swing trading, and also sometime option. If you do not have Discord, you can also join my YouTube community just by clicking on the join button and pay a minimal fee. Anyway, let's go back to PROG. So this is the PROG chart, and some of us entered around 90 cent, making lots of day trading, swing trading. But if you look at the chart and look at the big picture, right, you can do it many different ways. So you can see, yes, it has been moving a lot. If I just connect the top, right, so it has been an uptrend, but this is very volatile. It goes to $5, come back to $3, again goes back to $6, come back to 3.5. This is how this thing is moving. Very volatile, but again a good one if you are doing some kind of trading. So I can always adjust based on the price action, but this is how this is moving. So I will come back here and I will talk about the price action. And for now, I want to show you something else. Then I will come back. I will talk about the support, resistance, gap fill, and many more things, right? But before that, look at some of the things. The volume. Last week was a short week. We had Thanksgiving, we had half Friday, so the volume was less. At the same time, COVID fear. So last week volume I shouldn't be looking at, but the volume was coming down and also the price was coming down. Not the big deal. Many of the things people are talking, and also if you look at Ortex data, many shorts have covered their position. Now the short interest have been decreased significantly, and many people are saying, okay, as the shorts have covered, maybe it is not a short squeeze candidate anymore. We have to see. Also at the same time, this company is coming up with some good news, some patents, something, right? So there may be something coming good in near future, and maybe the shorts they are covering, I do not know. Also, you need to know, they had now they have the ability to do some share offering at a market price. It depends at what market price. Maybe if it goes back to $5, who knows, they will do some sharing. Keep that in mind. if you are doing this, because any kind of offering will make this down. But anyway, for now, I'm gonna buy most probably on Monday if I see a good market. So if you look at the short interest, the current short borrow fee is 54%, and you can look currently almost like 1 million shares are available to short. You can see with time now these bars are higher, meaning that there are more short shares are available to short, meaning that many shares have been returned, so the shorts have covered their position. If you go to Fintel, you can see the short interest is only 15% as per Fintel. On dark pool, this is 52%. It is showing me 1.2 million shares are available to short. The borrow fee rate is 54%. Also, there is one more thing. People are making some kind of hype. I do not want to say anything, just I want to say one thing, that look at the news that Progenity will be participating in one-to-one meeting with investors on Tuesday, November 30th. And the meeting can be requested exclusively via 5%. So many people are talking about, oh, there will be some good news, some partnership. Nothing. I do not want to say anything, but I just want to give you the date that something is going to happen or not. But this is the event, right? Also, if you want to know more about the company, you can always go to their website, event presentation. And one thing I want to show here, the November 2021, their corporate presentation. If you go down, so you can see something here, right? So one partnership, right? In partnership with this one, this is, we know about the name. But there are two more items, right? In partnership with Large Pharma 1, with partnership with Large Pharma 2. We do not know about the name. Many people are talking about Pfizer, sorry, and other names. But anyway, they are working and we still do not know the names. Also, there was another filing. It came on Friday. So, you know the name Ethereum. So they have like more voting power and more shares. So anyway, that was another news. And before I go back to technicals, I just want to show you something. If you go to Reddit, definitely you can see many people are talking. Some people are talking now on a daily basis. The 50-day moving average is crossing the 200-day moving average. Is it a bullish sign? You can look at some other things. Some people are drawing the same way I drew the line, right? It is on an uptrend. So some people are also making lines that, okay, there is an uptrend, then it broke the uptrend, boom. So you see the purple line, right? Each time it broke and goes high. So they are predicting some big movement. These are not my lines. I'm just showing you instead of drawing this on my chart. I'm sorry, I got some cold, so sorry for the voice. And also, if you want to know more about the ownership, there is another post on Reddit. You can also read. It talks about the PROG ownership, who owns how many shares, so many things. Spend some time if you're really interested. Let's go back to the chart now. So few important things. I'm gonna move back to a daily chart first of all, and I'm going to open two indicators here. So first of all, I want to show you the RSI, and I want to show you MACD. These are the things people use, right? So if you look on a daily basis, right? On a daily basis, yes, we know the RSI has been coming down. The MACD has been coming down, but from a daily, you can also go back to an hourly. You can see on an hourly chart what is important. The RSI is currently almost at 30. Anything below 30 is oversold. See the chart. Whenever it came to 30, it bounced back. It came to 30, it bounced back. And again, we came back to 30, right? This is important. Most probably it will bounce back. Also look at the MACD. And if you don't see, let's see here. At the MACD, whenever there are big green bars, means more buying pressure. And it fades, means buying pressure is decreasing. Then you see more red, and again light red, and you see the reversal, right? So the blue line, whenever the blue line will cross the orange line, so it means things are getting bullish. You will also see a small green candle. So most probably on an hourly chart, we might see a reversal. That is one thing. Now let's go back to the chart. So I'm gonna show you the chart. One nice thing I like, Heiken Ashi, I guess. So it gives you an idea that was a bull trend, then the bear, bull, bear, and now this thing is moving sideways and we do not know which way it is going, right? So anyway, in terms of support and resistance, what are the important lines here? Few important lines I'm gonna draw here. So I think one area is definitely around 3.5, this area. And why people were so worried about 3.5? You the after hours pre-market. So from 3.5, last time it jumped to 3.9 and then the run started. So whenever there is a gap, people are concerned about the gap fill. Now you see the price has come down. It bounced from 3.5 and moving sideways. If things are getting bullish, then maybe it will hold the 3.5 support, then it will go up. In that case, the gap has been filled, the 3.5 support has been held, and things will go up. That is one important thing. Also, if you look at the chart after 3.5, there is a $4 which was a support previously, right? Then we could not break 4, we came down. So when we go up, we might have a resistance around $4. Keep that in mind. So that is one important thing. Also, after $4, we will have resistance around 5. We might have some resistance right around 4.4, 4.5. Also, if I come down a little bit, maybe around 2.9. I'm not expecting PROG will come back to 2.9, but if you ask me about a buying zone, I will say this. As long it is moving and holding between 3.3 and 3.5, you see this area, I will add. Sorry. In case it can hold, my next support will be around $3. But if things are looking good, most probably it will just bounce from here. It will go up towards 4, 4.4, 5, and so on. But I do not want to make any false hope that it's going to the moon next week. Is gonna be a short squeeze. So many things. No, just look at the price action. Look at the short interest. Look at the catalyst. If there is some good news coming on, this thing can go a lot. If there is any kind of short share offering, this thing can come down a lot. But I think the market is red, and maybe PROG will not do any share offering at the market price. They will always want the market price to go up, maybe around 4.4 or $5. Maybe at that time they can do some share offering. But these are the things we can control. Any kind of good news, any kind of share offering. So follow the price. If you want to do some trading, you can always use the chart, right? Anyway, but one very, very important thing, if you look at the weekly chart, and on a weekly chart, you can see each candle is 1 week. And if you think end of September, right, it was around 90 cents. So September, October, November, in 3 months, from $1 it came to $6, 6 times in 3 months. So on a weekly basis, you see so many green candles, a red candle. So it is okay. If you're looking at the big picture, it is okay for a pullback to come down. Maybe from $1 it goes to 6, it comes back to $3. Then again it will bounce back. This is okay. But if you buy at $6 for a day trading and holding it at 3.6, this is not good for you. Anyway, so it depends on your perspective. Are you long? Are you short? And many other things. I'm not going to cover the option activity here because already it is 13 minutes. But definitely in the next video, we will talk about the option activity, especially for the option expiring, call option expiring on December, 17th of December for 7.5 and 5 strike price. And also, if you want more update on PROG, please subscribe my channel, like this particular video, and also you can consider joining my Patreon so that you can get access to my Discord and get updated PROG chart always. Not only PROG, other stock as well. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.